Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're looking at another one of our 48 by 48 aluminum skid assemblies. This one has a 3,500 PSI, a 5.5 gallon a minute pressure washer system on it. So right back here we have the 55 gallon water tank, and with this water tank we have the flow valve assembly hooked up, so as it's filling it'll automatically shut off. It won't overfill in your truck or van. Down at the bottom of the tank we have a bunch of valves set up so that we can shut off the water to change out the filter, and we can also shut off the water or open it up and have it drain out the back through this tank drain that we have here. Up front we've got the 3,500 PSI, 5.5 gallon a minute twin cylinder pressure washer with the Honda GX630. Has the belt drive general pump on it. We have the 6 gallon fuel tank, and then we've got the battery around back for the electric start. We have this set up so that it's basically working off the rear of a truck. So this is where you would be able to access everything, and then over the panels, the side rails of the truck as well. The two Cox reel hose reels that we have here, the high pressure one's holding 200 feet of the non-marking hose, and at the bottom we've got 100 feet of the Flexzilla garden hose. And then around back, a 7 gallon soap tank, so he'll be able to downstream his soap through the pressure washer and apply it that way. So it's a super compact. Sometimes trying to fit them on these really small platforms can be even more difficult than putting them on a trailer, but they work out so nice to just fit them in the back of the van or the back of a truck and be able to move on out, and only have a few areas where you actually need to secure it to your truck versus taking each one of these individual components and securing them to the truck and going around all of the plumbing, the fuel tanks, and all that stuff on your truck. So if you have any questions on this, just give us a call. Thanks.